Hey everyone, what's up? It's Spacey here. I'm a musical artist and digital creator, and today I want to show you a super cool trick how I integrate my physical presence into AI music video using Muze Art platform with the unique feature creating an avatar. Let's dive in. Okay, so we're inside the platform. What you need to do is to head over, create an avatar, upload 10 to 15 images of the same person, if it's yourself or the subject matter. Give your avatar a name and the category, if it's a man, woman, etc. Click Create Avatar. The platform will now process the footage. It can take a while and you will get an email when it will be ready to use in your videos. Okay, I'm head over to Avatars on your projects and it's ready to use. Let's use it in a video. So I will start with an image. Choose from a library, this one. I will give the video a name, Spacey Scratch DJ. 2D, I will choose vertical for Instagram Reel. I will choose the audio. On the audio section, I want the reactiveness to be high and I want to activate the beat pulse that will create this beat pulse visual movement. Now choosing an art style, let's go for indie. Next. And we're on the final section, we're integrating the prompt or the description of every scene. First, let's choose our avatar. Now I can write close up of squiggly lines, avatar DJing. Next one, avatar making music in the studio. Squiggly lines, avatar dancing in a club. And the last one, avatar making beat. Okay, we're done. Let's click generate and wait for the video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please give it a like and consider subscribing to the Spacey Academy channel. Your support is helping grow and reach more aspiring artists like you. If you know someone who can benefit from this content, please share it with them. It's a great way to help others and allows Spacey Academy to spread the word to more people who can find value in this work. Again, thank you for being here. Keep on growing, keep creating, and keep it Spacey.